days to pay without interest, or both, each month.
I'm Nelson Gutierrez, and I'm a member of the Smarter Money.
This is what membership is. This is what membership does.
In 5 days, the biggest cast of the year arrives with a bang. Danny Trejo, Michelle Rodriguez, Sofia Vergara, Lady Gaga, Antonio Banderas, Mel Gibson, and Carlos Estevez.
Dr. Stein.
Shitty Kills. The dog starts Friday.
It's the Rev, Mr. Rollback. Ready for the October savings event? Right now, Walmart's got specials all over the store. It's like Rollbacktober. Save $30 on this 55-inch Vizio. I prefer my coffee or Rollback. Get more for your money at the Walmart October savings event.
In the nation, we know how you feel about your car. So when coverage really counts, count on Nationwide Insurance. Because what's precious to you is precious to us. Just another way we put members first. Because we don't have shareholders. Join the nation.
Nationwide is on your side.
Cardinals trailed early, rallying to win 22-6 over the visiting Carolina Panthers. Time to check our Domino's stat tracker. Greg Olsen led Carolina with 5 catches, but the Cardinal defense, 4 takeaways, a fumble, 3 interceptions to go with 7 sacks, and the rookie Andre Ellington on the ground and catching the football from Carson Palmer, helping the star on offense. Next on Fox, except in Arizona, an entire night of animation domination. The NFL on Fox continues next week with doubleheader action, coverage beginning at noon Eastern, 9 Pacific on Fox. The Cardinals improve to 3-2. They play in San Francisco next. The Panthers fall to 1-3 and are on the road at Minnesota. For Tim Ryan and Jennifer Hale, I'm Chris Myers. Thanks for watching the NFL on Fox.
Here are today's Chevrolet Strong Plays of the Day. It's been another intriguing week in the NFL, and some are even flipping out with excitement. But the strongest play of today belongs to the Indianapolis Colts, who handed the Seahawks their first loss of the season. These are your Chevrolet Strong Plays of the Day.
Fox Sports thanks you for watching this presentation of the National Football League. The NFL is online at www.nfl.com.
It's not too late to get hooked on the series everyone's talking about.
See that door over there? That's the door you go out right now.
The Ultimate Fighter, all new Wednesday night on Fox Sports 1.
There'll be winners, there'll be losers, and you will see it all with free TV streaming to your device. If it matters to you, it matters to us.